So I was saying that because we are using random measurements, all right? This shape is looking slightly different. Yeah. But mostly when you draft your Bustier using the correct measurements, mostly this line will be straight. Mostly straight.
Okay.
Yes. But for some special measurements, people on the bust line is extremely bigger than the waist. So people the waist is extremely bigger than the bust. But then this is it. So now let's add up our allowances. So let's say we want to give an allowance of, we're not going to, okay, we would stitch this. So let me do it 2 inches square. That's 38. Let's stitch it first. So you start, the one you draft, use your measurements.
Okay.
Yes, so that you can wear it. So our bustier is ready. So that's it. So now we are going to do our cutting. We would cut the front and use it to cut the back.
Okay.
Electric cutting. Now we would give ourselves a sweetheart neckline. Okay. So that one, you can decide to come down by maybe 1.5 or 2 inches, depends on you how low you want to go. But from here, you join it to the same middle line. You remember the middle line?
Yeah.
Yes. So I can just, so let me do it this way, my way. I'll join a straight line first from that place. And 6, let me stand in the middle of it. And I'll go up by half. Okay, so I just want to nicely. Hey. So so you can come lower and lower, it depends on you. Yeah. So now, without cutting off the dart yet, I'm going to use this to cut the back.
Okay.
Yeah. So the back is be extended from here, right? So it's going to be like this. Yeah. So I'm going to use this length. That's 7.5. square it across. All right. Now, because it's a bustier, we are going to be doing our eyelet holes or loops. All right. Because it's a bustier that's going to be laced. Okay. You need like some space in between. So for this one, we do not add a zipper but extension. You can even take some out of the center back, depending on how you want to cinch the thing. So for this case, we would not, we just leave the zipper extension out. That way, when you lace, it will still come to meet each other. Yes. But then if you want to have like more space to be able to lace, then you can take some of the inches off. Yeah. So we'll still maintain that point. All right. So let me do this. I still want to maintain this width as well from here to here, from the front. So I'll just, yeah. Then I know that my allowance, I do this to easily help me figure out. My allowance is 2 inches. Okay. So I'll rule out the allowance. Okay, now the distance from here to here, you can use the dart point that you use for the front. But for me, I like to divide the distance from here and here. Like that's 9.5 and quarter. Because I don't like to see that close to the eyelets. Do you understand? Yes. So if we're going to do it, in this case it's what, 5. If we're going to do it 4, you see, baby, now it be a car 3.5. So when you lace it, it looks close. I don't like to see that. So I'd rather give more space to it. That's why I did what I did. Yeah. Then I'll just square it up and I'll do my dart. I have a quarter here, half a quarter here. Then this place I can just do it quarter, quarter. And we are done with that. So this is just a bustier. And we are going to do like an actual boned bustier, which is a corset. We'll do some darts here and do some shaped darts also here. And do another shaped dart on the allowance. Yeah. But we are going with our basics first. So you don't go with you. Hey, I'm doing something. Good afternoon. So now we are cutting our outer lines. These things. Sit down. These two things. And they to me are confusing. The one she sharing swag. So it was like this. Let me teach you this thing before I forget. I'll draw it. top, hose, top, that, that. Do you understand what I'm doing? Because when I turn this way, you can't really tell the difference. And if not because it's a brown paper and I've marked out my allowance, if it was a fabric, you can even do this. You see how misplaced it is? They look very similar, but it can distort your final work. So please, they don't look important, but they are very important. So do this for the back only. Yes, don't forget at all. You can even indicate that this place is allowance. So you always pin your back pieces together. Then now we're gonna cut our front. So this is how your final don't mind these markings, what's under the paper. But this is how your final work should look like.
Listen, I can't we turn it?
It's because we did a drafting on the other side of this side. That's why. So when you turn it, see, it's side by side. That's why I turn to this one.
Okay.
So this is what you are going to do. These pieces, you see them small like this.